Adele revealed she is putting herself on vocal rest after she opened up on her recent bout of health issues while trying to keep up with her Las Vegas residency. Adele has just 4 months left of her year-long residency at the Coliseum at Caesar's Palace, but fans are concerned the singer may not be able to physically stay the course. The 35-year-old revealed at her last performance that she has been struggling with some chest issues and admitted she would have trouble with some notes in her most iconic tracks. The performer apologized profusely to the crowd who had come to hear her famous voice, explaining, "I can't hit my head notes properly. I didn't sleep very well and my chest is on fire. I can tell I am going to have a cough in like 10 days, but I am still here." Adele jokingly claimed the sea witch from Disney's famed Little Mermaid was to blame, saying, "Ursula from the ocean has come from my chest tonight," according to Mail Online, hoping to assure future audiences of her Las Vegas shows. The Rolling in the Deep hitmaker revealed she will be going on voice rest as soon as she stepped off stage on Saturday. While she couldn't deliver her high notes, Adele made a seemingly worthwhile trade for her fans as she gave them a rare insight into her home life with beau Rich Paul and her son Angelo. She divulged, "Can you imagine how hard now me not talking for 3 days is? So I am going to be in bed coughing my guts up on complete voice rest, and not only is my partner an absolute chatterbox, so is my son. So I am going to have to lock myself in a cupboard or something like that." Adele's latest bout of health concerns is not just threatening her final 20 Vegas shows, which were already delayed once, but also her Munich summer tour. Her 10-night string of shows in Germany will mark her first European performance since 2016. Unfortunately, this isn't the first time the Grammy winner has dealt with severe vocal concerns during a string of intensive concerts, as she had to cancel 2 shows at Wembley Stadium during her last world tour due to similar issues.